You have gone through the trouble of busting your ass to create your product's keynote video. And now the question is, where can I put this video that's going to make me the most money possible? What platform, how can I present this keynote video to my customers that will convert them from viewers into paying customers? That is the question today. That's what we're going to focus on. So yes, you are Jason Fried here. You are a product guru, CEO, co-founder, whatever you want to be. And you've got the trouble of making your keynote video. It's ready to go. But now the question is, do I just upload it to YouTube? Or is there something better that I could be utilizing that no one is talking about, or it's not widely discussed enough as a strategy? But first, let's go back. You've done all this, assuming you've done all this with the keynote structure. You've introduced the problem, the challenges, you've outlined everything, you have a great product ready to go, you send it out to script writing, you write the script maybe, you put it into your teleprompter, you get your video production crew ready, maybe it's just a friend or freelancer, or you're just behind the webcam like this as we are now. You then send it to editing, you edit the video, maybe you outsource to Fiverr, and the two destinations that come to mind is YouTube and Product Hunt. YouTube because it'll work because your keynote video is 5 to 10 minutes long, so it's not going to work on TikTok, it's not going to work on Instagram, but it will work on YouTube as a great place, or on I'm not even going to put Twitter video on here. Twitter video is its own thing. Or you say, hey, I'll just upload this to Product Hunt. That's where all the apps go. But there's actually a better way and a better place, because a video on YouTube lacks the environment, lacks the buying environment that you want with your customers. You want your customers going to this, watching the video, and after watching that video, they then click a button, and then they get their credit card out, and then they start buying your product. That's what you want when they watch a keynote video. A keynote video is not just to get views, it's not just to get subscribers, it's not just to get awareness about your product. It is about people watch the video and they see what you have to offer, and it's a problem that they have, and then you tell them, go to yourproduct.com/pricing and sign up for a free trial, sign up for this tier 1, 2, 3, gold plan, A plan, whatever plan you have. That is what you want your customers to do. So the best way to maximize your keynote video is to, and you probably already guessed it, it is to put it on a dedicated web page. And I'm using the Feather as a great landing page. They have a beautiful landing page, but put it right in the middle of your landing page and have nothing else on your page. We call this a squeeze page in the direct response e-commerce world. A squeeze page is, let me get my pen tool out. There is no navigation. There is no login button. There's no free trial button you can maybe have. And you can't click the logo. You can't click anywhere else. There's nowhere else to go. There's nowhere else to do except watch this video and then click the buy button. Buy button could be down below or it could be up top. But that is going to be the best shot that you have of your keynote video converting your viewers into customers. You have it here. Now, how do you get people there? So that is going to be the power of email marketing. Yay. So you're going to send emails. Before you launch, you need to have a list. You need to start building your list of people, of leads, prospects, taking your YouTube subscribers and putting them into your email list somehow. And then you are just going to send emails. That is, an entire launch is basically just an email campaign with a bunch of content surrounded by it. So you're going to send traffic here. Hey, go make sure you watch the keynote video, because that keynote video is the launch. That is your launch date. And you're going to send all the traffic to this page. And it's going to feel rigid for a lot of founders that are used to building these beautiful websites where they can view and read about the features and go to the use cases and then go to the pricing page. And all of that is a distraction for your customer. The more clicks they have to go through, the more they're not shopping around. The video is all the information they need. It's everything they need to see today to make a decision. And if they're not going to make a decision, then they bounce off this page and they don't buy, or they weren't meant to be a customer in the first place. So when you're building these, let me why don't we like draw it out? Let's get creative here. So let's take some blocks. Let's do, so if I were to build my web page, let's say my web page is going to be yeah, we'll just make it, we'll go dark mode, yeah. Or let's do like, we have an AI product, so it's like this midnight blue purple, which I don't know why AI is this color, but okay. Right there, perfect. Let's lock this off. Let's structure this video. So your video, size it up properly so we're proportion. It's gonna go right here. Let's get some more buttons out here. You're gonna build a button here. Big red button, big yellow button, big whatever complementary color it is to say, you know, buy now is one call to action, but buy now, or using the word buy, checkout, those are like any kind of financial call to action, kind of weirds people out a little bit. They're like, you know, you're basically saying like, in the call to action, you're saying like, give me your money, which feels weird. So it says like, get started, or, you know, start free trial, for example. There we go. And then you're going to have your headline above, and you're going to have like this 500, super huge. We're building live here, folks. I love this. Headline. So if you're Jason Fried, if you got the Hey Calendar app, you know, it's like, you know, finally, you know, all your productivity in one place. Because they do Hey Email, so now it's like bringing it all together under one roof. All your productivity. Gotta learn to spell, Jordan. Nope. All your productivity in one place. So that's your headline, and then you're gonna have your sub headline, you know, introducing, you know, Hey Calendar. Let's say we're gonna use Hey Calendar for our example today. I'll probably make that smaller. You want everyone focused on the headline. And you could really stop there, but I would also add something like underneath here, if you've got some social proof, join the, you know, how many users does Hey Calendar have? You know, 150, they have 150,000 users, 150,000 plus, you know, Hey family, Hey.com family, because that's Hey. But, you know, you would say something. And people, quick little copywriting tip, write out your big numbers. Most people tend to say like, oh, 150K. Quick little copywriting. You like write the numbers out, especially if it's a big number. Don't say 1.1 M. Say 1, 100, 000, 1.1 million. Don't sell yourself short. You got this. So that is basically your Keynote squeeze page. That's it. That could be it. This is like good to go. We don't need a nav. We don't need a footer necessarily. I mean, have a footer if you are tracking or doing, you know, put your privacy policy and your terms of service down below. But this is not meant, this page like this is not meant for SEO. This is not meant for ranking anywhere. This is meant to, they get the email and they go to this page and this is all they can do. So it's like a movie theater. Basically, you're building like a little movie theater for your customers. They go in, they watch the video, and on the video, a lot of times, we always recommend is to use Wistia or Vimeo. Don't embed with YouTube for a Keynote video, because Wistia and Vimeo give you the ability to prevent the user from scrubbing forward or changing the quality or going full screen. Like, it's a video that auto plays. They can't stop it. And they have to watch it, and they have to watch it in a certain order because you are saying certain things in a certain order for your Keynote video that they need to know at that time, in that moment, to then digest the next bit of information that you're going to give them. Like you're taking them on a ride to skip around in your keynote video for them to like scrub through your video is like, you know, you saying like, oh, I only want to go on this part of the roller coaster. Like, no. You have to go on the entire roller coaster in one loop. You can't decide like, hey, I want to start here and finish here. That's a little more, that's again, another like e-commerce direct response tactic, but it really works, especially in this, when you have this little movie theater environment. Now think what the original thing you were about to do. You were going to just put this video on YouTube and it was going to play and it was going to be like, hey, here's YouTube and also watch all these other videos, but oh, you're done. Where's the buy button? Where are they going to purchase? Where are they going to leave YouTube and say, oh, here's my credit card? And how do they, when they're on YouTube, YouTube doesn't like descriptions. Go to YouTube right now and look, you're watching a YouTube video right now. Can you see my descriptions below this video? How hard it is to click see more, find a description, click the button, go off site, and then go YouTube does not want you to leave YouTube. So YouTube's great for organic, getting the message out there and put your keynote out there, but don't expect it to convert the way you want it to. You want to build this little movie theater for people. And then, so what's next? People go, what's on the next page? Any guesses? The next page is that's it. They purchase. It's the checkout. Checkout page. Give me the white lettering. Yeah. It's that simple. Like, don't complicate things. Don't include, another button down here that says like, learn more. Like, there's no point for that, because in all of these emails that you're sending, you are talking about your product. You're educating them. You're telling them everything that goes into this. You're taking your keynote script, everything that you've written out here, and these are all emails. Everything that we talk about here in the 10-day launch, survey emails, pre-launch video, reminders, wait lists, launch, all of these emails that you're sending are setting up the problem, agitating the problem, and then talking about the solution that you've come up with, and it's your product. So it's all just sending traffic to this. This is the moment. If you're running ads to this page specifically. You're not going to run ads to your homepage or your pricing page. You're going to run ads to this dark movie theater. They're going to sit there, they're going to watch, and the only thing that they can do is either not watch the video or click buy now. And then you take them to checkout. You don't take them to the pricing page. You take them to the checkout, and that is how you convert. Sounds very simple. A lot of a lot of founders out there don't do it, and they're sitting there wondering like, hey, I've spent all this time and energy and effort into making this keynote video. I've hired the guy on Fiverr to make it look good. I've poured over the script. I had to watch a video on how to edit videos. I had to learn how to edit Premiere myself, and I finally did it, and I put it out there, and nobody's converting. So I guess keynote videos don't work. No, it's not that they don't work. It's that the environment was not the right place. The content's right, but the environment has to be right as well. So that's a quick lesson for you guys today. If you have a keynote video, put it in the right place. Design a simple page, no nav, 2 call to actions. They can watch a video or they can buy your product. It's the only thing that they can do as a customer. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Jordan Anderson with Nice Slice Studio, and we'll see you on the next one.